Are you from an education sector? Teaching students all day on an ordinary blackboard?
Yes.
Using harmful chalks? Facing dust? Have you ever realized what are you missing?
No.
Genie Solutions India Private Limited is a well-known international company providing the world-class high-tech education systems. Presents Genie Power Board.
Genie Power Board is an intelligent learning system with latest world-class technologies and all Gen Next features. Genie Power Board, more vibrant, more visual, more interoperable and a lot more interactive. In Genie Power Board, you'll get incredible features which you won't get in any other blackboard or whiteboard. It's a board that utilizes infrared technology and doesn't require any power supply. Well, you just have to connect it with a PC by using USB and it's ready. In case of power cut, Genie Power Board can also be used as an ordinary whiteboard. This is also one of the key features to it. It's immensely useful software toolbar. It's easy to use both by teachers and students. Why not any one of you come here and draw something for us today? Yeah, you come.
Wow! Genie Power Board is very interactive.
Anything written on your Genie Power Board can instantly be recorded. Playback onto your system in the exact order it was written. It is a very effective function which can give you a complete electronic recap of the entire session. Whatever you write, annotate or mark onto your Genie Power Board can easily be saved on your system, in turn giving you an advantage of saving a lot more time and effort in rewriting the whole lesson altogether again or losing all the valuable teaching lessons by erasing the ordinary board. Best of all, Genie Power Board carries a cutting-edge gesture technology which makes you smoothly open, rotate, move, erase, swap, stretch, enlarge, zoom in, zoom out, annotate, highlight and fling images and videos all across it with so much ease, in turn making the teaching session more interactive. It also got an easy to use hide, reveal, spotlight and snapshot features as well.
Wow!
You can also annotate over live objects when integrated with digital visualizers. The eminent interactive board has got a very sleek pen tray which has got 3 colors of dummy pen and 1 eraser. If by any chance your pen goes missing, you can use any of your object or your hand to write on your whiteboard because the technology lies into the tray, not in your pen. That's not all which you can do with Genie Power Board. It's got a unique media function which can help you in playing and importing the files onto the interface from the PC or internet. Its every slide has got an endless page length, so simply rotate the file by using rover button to make the slide up and down. The 23 shortcut keys on the each side of the board will give you an added advantage to select the function key as you want it. This state-of-the-art whiteboard carries a lot of predefined images, geometry tools, graphics and animations which can be very effectively used by the teachers for a unique teaching experience. So student, let me ask you a question now. Which is the largest organ in human digestive system? A. Mouth, B. Stomach, C. Intestine And D. Pancreas. Yes, everyone, send your response quickly, fast. Yes, intestine, right answer. Amazingly, it has got a hard ceramic surface which has roughly designed to take the wear and tear for the daily usage of schools and educational institutes. With Genie Power Bolt, step into the technology, step into the future, and you feel the difference.
Genie World, Genie Solutions, leaders in learning technology. For more info, visit www.genie-india.com or mail us at info.india@genieworld.com.